Hi guys, Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom. How to do an Instagram reel. What I've done is I've kept scrolling until I like this video. So if I just put the sound on. So it's nothing wrong with me and just putting words on. This is really easy to do. So what I'm going to show you is there is a little square with the sound on that's pulsating at the very bottom right hand corner. So you click that. Then it says use audio. You can save the audio to do it later. Not what I look. Hold on. Okay, let's do this. Pale face. So what did I do at Christmas? You have to do the words after this. So and then so you're just going to point. Okay, so you point there, point there, point there, point there. Okay, so you press the button, the little arrow.
Here we go. Now one. Nothing wrong with me. Two. Nothing wrong with me. Three. Nothing wrong with me. Four. Nothing wrong with me.
Preview. Now you can see, whoops, there's some words here. Click the double A. Let me just turn this down a bit. So, guess what I did at Christmas? You can just make, you can have a different question, but I'm just going to do this at Christmas. Okay? You can change the colours by clicking the colours and clicking that one. Oh, that one. Right, let's do that one. Okay. Guess what I did at Christmas? So you can leave that in, actually, leave that there. Now, you can actually, you can write out a lot, can't you? So I'm going to move this cursor across here. Right? Because then that word will disappear after that bit. So ate a lot, ate loads. And then you press the colour. Which colour do you want? Let's have a purple. There you go, ate loads. Then you move that to there and that to there with your finger. Ate loads. So then it'll pop in and pop out. And that's going to be number 1, which I'm putting there, look. Number 2, actually, I've put, it doesn't matter. Number 2, select through the Queen switch. Because I missed it. Queens. Hold on, I can't spell Queens. Queen speech. Speech. And I'm going to make that orange. So that can be put down here. That's number 2. Ate loads. Slept through the Queen's speech. So that's, whoops, going to go here. About here. Whoops. Okay. Then we're going to put ate loads, slept through the Queen's speech, drank a lot. Then I can leave that colour. You know how to do the colours. That one's there. So we've got 1, ate loads, 2 there. Oh, I've missed 3 out. Drank a lot. So we need another one. We need another one. So if we put and had a mince pie. Mince pie. Oh no, I forgot the crackers. Forgot to pull Christmas cracker. There you go. And that one can go. Actually, let's have a different colour. Let's have that blue one. There you go. That one there. And that one there. That one can go. So this has got to go somewhere there. And as you can see, I've messed it up, but it's in perfect action. Wings the day. Go. Next. So then you write caption. Tap art if you like, if you agree, because everybody did the same. If you agree, hashtag Christmas. You could put hashtag affiliate marketing. The people who are searching for these business, you could put hashtag viral post, hashtag viral video, one word. There you go. Hashtag scam, because lots of people, let's have a look. Add location. You can actually put, I sometimes put Miami, because all the people in Miami, it'll come, all the people. So you always tag yourself. So I'm going to put Diane Hogarth. There we go. So you've got your location, your tag, your cover. Let's have a look at the cover. Oh, well, I look really pale there, don't I? Oh, well, let's just do it. If you do a wacky one, the wackier the better. Share. So that's it, guys. Hey, guys, guess what I did at Christmas? And that's, so it's shared to Reels. Then that's what it looks like. You have to have a play with it, with a little slider at the bottom, because, and you have to have a play with all the words. That's how you do a reel. Hope you like this. If you did, hit the like button, share this, and subscribe to Millionaire Mom. Cheers.